Listen, Vinayak, can you hear me?
Yeah, bro. This telepathy stuff is happening.
But why? Like, how can you hear my thoughts?
I don't know, bro. This stuff is like Inception. I can feel I can control the surroundings.
Okay, wait. I'm going to try to play a song.
Shh, not that silly song. Let me play something.
Okay, wait, stop. Let's do something cool. Like let's digitalize the GBM.
Cool. But why the color so blah? Like black and whitish.
I don't know. Try color correcting now. Like,
Okay, wait. Hold on.
whoa. Let's do something more with colors now. Since like purple is the club color and all.
Sick.
All right. Let's make this GBM room now. Is it working?
Hello. Hi.
Chal, it's working. 3, 2, 1, action!
Visually, intensified, digitalized, exciting, omniscient, VIDEO, Video General Body Meeting. Welcome to the digitalized era, a break from the regular monotony. You are now a part of RCHR's expedition. Can I please call upon Rotractor Sanat Desai to now color me? I call this meeting to order. Everyone please rise for the national anthem. So you whiz kids, welcome to the 35th General Body Meeting of the Rotaract Club of HR College. Well, the transition has begun and now we're moving into the digitalized era of the Rotaract Club of HR College. You are now welcome to the expedition where these techno-savvy geeks are going to put on their helmets, are going to take you to a land like none before. Get ready to get spectacular. All the best. So well, to start off with, can we have the minutes of the last meeting?
Minutes of the last meeting. Calling of the President, meeting call to order, rise for national anthem, minutes of the last meeting read by Road Tractor Amni, recaps, Road Tractor test by Road Tractor Pooja and Rachna. Due to a few defaulters, some avenue support functions will not be announcing. Announcements, club service, people selected last time for Gone in 60 Seconds will feature in the digital Gone in 60 Seconds. Hardy Boys and Gossip Girls happening tomorrow. Readers will message the plan to you. Home Run announced happening on 18th April when you will be passed in the phone chain. Bluff Master announced happening on 21st April, 4-member OC taken. Survivor announced OC will be selected tomorrow. Venue Manwa, date 6th, 7th and 8th May. Total cost Rs 5,800. Pay Manan at the earliest. Community Service Staff Helpers Day announced happening on 16th April. Announcement by Road Tractor Trishra Sangvi. Seller Service Part 2 announced happening on 20th April and explained. La Royale announced and explained details given, invites announced and released. La Royale video release. Thank you to Cyber Media team. Spread the word, sell passes. Code given. International service 4 crews 1 country conducted. Around the world in a day announced happening in the last week of April. Winner prizes for MNC given. OCP for Pottermania announced. Road Tractor Diksha Kataria. Pottermania announced. If you want to be a part of Pottermania, contact any of us. Professional development did you know is conducted. The game scores announced. Paparazzi announced. PD Star of the Month announced. Rachna. Ayush Mardan, a 5th grader, announced happening on 23rd April. 4-member OC taken. PR. Notice board announced. Fill it on your way down. PR for La Royale announced. Editorial reaching out 28.7 coming your way. Released. 5-member OC taken for revamping the reaching out. Sports bulletin announced. 7-member OC taken. Mumbai Knights announced up on Facebook. Link would be passed in the phone chain. Task force 2 people taken for the Rotary meeting. We Are Family announced. Explained happening on 20th April. Cyber Media video GBM announced. Next GBM will be a video GBM. Will be in a private movie theatre. Replay coming out really soon. Secretariat Monic will upload minutes. Welcome to the 26 GB. Outstandings for March announced. President-elect Road Tractor Samit Desai announced. Next GBM happening on 19th April in college.
Well, on the 12th of April, we had our very own Boys Day Out and Girls Day Out. So for the same, can I have 2 people coming up to recap this project?
Okay, Girls Day, Gossip Girls, which is Girls Day Out, happened on 11th of April and was organized by Vaishnavi and the club service team. Okay, so the start of the day started with a lunch. We had a lunch at Green Center in Phoenix Mills, where we all had like a bonding time, like we all ordered for nice food, and Dia and Sasha decided to eat a lot. Followed by we went down where the Game of Thrones and everyone was happening and we took a picture there. Everything on the throne and we took pictures there. And then after we were chilling on the stairs talking, deciding to chilling on Hamleys. And Hamleys were now showing one of those guys who walked there and you playing the soft toys and playing card. And then we had the football play, game was also, we also enjoyed everything with each other. And then we started to building. We were sitting in the pool and in the garden and all just chilling, watching 20 games of 20 questions where they were like just like continuously giving questions, like asking people questions, and just basically a icebreaker interactive session.
And yeah, so at the end of the project, like we ended the project and it was all fun. We had a lot of time to talk to each other, we got to know people, and not many people came, so half the people was amazing and we all got to bond and we got to chill.
It's a goal! But you never boys out of football. Wow, it was wow. Bro, forget the football, the cricket, the cover drives and all I hate. Wow. And most of you missed Manan's Messi wala goal, Messi. It's good, but you missed Monic's hit wicket, man. Like too good, yeah. And you missed Monic's own goals. What did I do? Monic's hit wicket. You missed Monic's own goals. Okay, yeah, shit. Now I'm feeling bad. So what did you do in football? And in football, we went to the beach at 7 o'clock. No one came to 8 o'clock only. Then we started at 8:30 the ball. Then we started playing everything. And then Monic was hilarious. He gave 4 own goals. I don't know what was happening. He went out laughing and then we had fun at the ball post. But we had a lot of fun. Bro, cricket was too much fun. Like I played 2 matches and both the matches whichever team I was in, I won. Like my bowling you should have seen. Like everyone got it. And I don't know who was the captain in the second match because who did you? I think me only. Yeah. Must be Pura, but I don't remember you playing. I was the one who won it. But anyway, you just kept getting run out. You wanted to talk about it? You wanted to talk about getting a chop? I saw you in CS, brother. I saw how you were knifed so many times. Talk about cricket now. Cricket to be. Okay, cricket was fun. CS was fun. CS.
Moving on the 14th of April, we had the second part to this very own The Game. IPL auctions happened on the 14th of April. So for the same, can I have 2 people coming up to recap the project?
And Harbhajan going to Daredevils, calling once, calling twice, and sold.
project known as the game for our beloved sport cricket. It happened at Rotaractor Samir Desai's house on the Monday, and we had a lot of fun over there. There was a lot of bidding for all the players, and maybe we didn't get the players which we selected, which we wanted to, but we're happy with the team, and we like it was a really great experience to have an auction and everything. So
we did our bit to give back to the staff members of our society, and on 16th of April we had World Staff Helpers Day. For the same, can I have two people recapping the project?
Staff Helpers Day was a really great project. Though the staff decided that that would be the only day they wouldn't come to work, I think Rahul and Mustansir really adapted to the whole project really well. And at the end of the day, the kids had a really great time, and I personally had a great time playing Damsharaj, them seeing that how well they could paint, and it was just a really great time with everybody. And most of all, the children of the Sneha Sadan Institute of Jogeshwari really enjoyed themselves, and I think that's just what ComServe is about. So really, hats off to Rahul and Mustansir for putting off a really great project, and better luck next time.
And lastly, just a couple of days back, we saw the master of all the bluffers. We had Bluff Master happening on the 19th of April. For the same, can we have two people recapping the project?
So Bluff Master was this one project held at college on Saturday, where we all got to test our skills at bluffing our own friends. So the project was basically about all of us on laptops, and one of us was a Bluff Master. We had the answers to the question on our screen, and the other screens were blank. So we had to figure out who the Bluff Master was and get him out. If we got the wrong person out, he would yet be out and the points would be halved. So that was what the game was all about. We had in the finals we had Lokesh and Ananya, and Ananya beat Lokesh and took the title of Bluff Master of 2014. So that was what the project was all about. Thank you.
So basically this place around here that you see out here is popularly known as Cuff Parade, and this is a place that's always been like home. I've spent my entire childhood out here, so the entire scenes that I'm going to be talking about are shot out here. So first up, if we have to ever be talking about something, when we think of this avenue, we always talk about this one cherished project that was there right in the beginning of the year. It was called Sun and Sand, and you see this inset right here, and it shows you exactly about what club services. So it takes us back to those fond memories at Sun and Sand. So first up, bringing you the fun, the joyride, can I please call upon Rotaractors Manan Gupta and Raika Bharadwaj for club service announcements.
Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Yeah, you know what it is. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Yeah.
Hi, I am Rotaractor Raika Bharadwaj.
And I am Rotaractor Manan Gupta.
And if you don't know us yet,
We are your club service directors.
for our first announcement,
Fabulous dance moves, take one. No, it's not happening. Let's add this step. No, it's not the right way to do it. I think I need a partner.
1, go! I don't think that. Wait. How do I? It's not happening, man. I think I need a partner.
I think we both needed a partner, and now it's time to get on the dance floor.
Stand up for the champions, stand up.
Are you ready to get on the dance floor?
Then be there on the 26th of this month to show your dancing skills.
Confirm in teams of 2 to 5.
And 1, 2, 3, 4. Get on the dance floor.
Get on the dance floor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get on the dance floor.
Faster, faster, faster. Change. Change.
Pooja, why are you panting so much? Panting? I'm training rally, don't you know? Training? Training for what? Training for the next big thing, Nirali. Next big thing? Yes, don't you know about it? I want to be the last man standing.
तुम क्या लेके आए थे और क्या लेके जाओगे? रह जाएगा सिर्फ एक ही इंसान, सर्वशक्ति सर्वशक्तिमान.
If you think you can be the last man standing, you have only a few days to go to claim your prize. Are you ready?
What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? As we go towards the light. What are you waiting for?
Thank you so much, Rotractors Manan Gupta and Raika Bharadwaj, for club service announcements. So moving on to the place where we're going to go for our next big thing, the fundraiser. Just now you can see an inset of the Taj Mahal Palace, and guess what, we're going to give back to the community, and I'm sure that we're going to do it in the best fashion possible. Moving on, can I please call upon the change makers of the club, Rotractors Rahul Batra and Mustansir Merchant, for community service announcements.
On to something that's invisible there, 'cause we're living at the mercy of fear. Until we get it, forget it, let it all disappear. Waiting for the end to come, wishing I had strength to stand. This is not what I had planned. It's out of my control.
News hour of CNBC TV 18. Today is the date of 4th May 2024, and exactly a decade ago did the Rotrack Club of HR College create a change in the Kumbharwadi village. Exactly 10 years ago we saw a house-full crystal room for the event La Royale. Exactly 10 years ago was the 28th general body responsible to build a legacy. Coming down to the next update.
Mustansir, listen.
Yeah.
So I have this new social cause that I've taken up for a while as such.
Yeah.
It's called Boond. It's basically for water in these villages and shit. So these guys, few of my friends around, have just managed to keep for dinner as such at Taj on the 4th of May. So I think it'd be really cool to come for it.
But what do I do? Yeah, just like dinner and all.
It'll be kind of cool. I think it's worth it, man. It's a cause around. You start paying for it. So it works out well. It's good, yeah.
What's the cause exactly?
It's basically you're providing free clean drinking water to villages and all, and for that you're having a dinner at Taj. So you have a margin in each pass, and you raise so that you build a well positively in a village.
Oh, wow, man! You call me for all these causes. I wonder when you're going to implement any of them.
4th May 2014.
8 PM onwards at the crystal room of the Taj Mahal Palace.
Be there to witness the change that you create.
क्या आप ये कर सकते?
So thank you Rotractors Rahul Batra, Mustansir Merchant and Trisha Sangvi for community service announcements. Moving on, we're going to talk about the one place where we depart for one of the most favorable trips of the year, Exploring India 2013, and an insight of the place where we departed from just about a few months ago, and the most cherished memories, the people who've taken you, Mr. and Miss Worldwide. So moving on, can I please call upon road tractors Trivida Mehra and Karan Bansali for international service announcements.
What happened?
What are you reading Around the World in 80 Days for? I just went around the world in a day. Presenting to you. Around the World in a Day.
This is basically a project where the festivals of the entire world come together, from La Fair to Tomatino, from that corner to this corner.
So be there in the last week of April to experience the world coming together under one roof. And yeah, can we have a hand raise of the people who will be coming?
So guys, this may Mr. and Miss Worldwide take you from here to
there.
Presenting to you Exploring the World 2014.
Just 36 days to go to fly away to the destination we're all waiting for.
Professor!
Harry, take this.
Last year was a huge success.
IU came for more.
Pottermania 2014 coming your way this May.
Thank you so much, road tractors Trivida Mehra and Karan Bansali for international service announcements. Moving on to one of the biggest memories that we've created in this year, the memories where we go back to not just I but we. So you can see the inset of Russian Center right out here, and we go back to the memories of the 17th Vogue. So moving on, without no further introduction to them, can I please call upon road tractors Samit Desai and Pooja Shah for professional development announcements.
Ordinary room. Let's see the balcony.
Hi everybody, I'm road tractor Samit Desai.
Hi guys, I am road tractor Pooja Shah.
And together we're the Professional Development Team 2013-14.
You might be wondering why we're standing outside in the balcony, but you know what? We're standing on air.
Good morning, Mrs. Bansali.
Guys, students, can we start studying now?
Okay, sorry, Mrs. Bansali.
Nirali Ajmera, what is the capital of Russia?
Bansali.
Mr. Samit Desai, did I ask you to answer? Are you Nirali? Are you a girl? Please be quiet. What is the capital of Russia? Mr. Samit Desai, I require to be silent.
Sorry, ma'am.
If you know the answer of Russia, what is the capital of Russia? Answer. Oh God. Okay. How about this? What is Shivaji's mother's name?
Ma'am, Avni Bansali.
What? Last question. When did the World War I begin? When did the World War I begin, Nirali? That is a very easy question which you learned in the 4th standard. When did the World War I begin? When is Bansali's birthday? Who is that Bansali?
Ma'am, you. Bansali.
I am Miss Pooja Shah.
Huh?
Evangeline.
So dumb. Oh my god, are you all in the 12th standard or are you all in the 4th standard? My 5th standard children are better and smarter than you guys.
I'm first year BMS.
No wonder you're so dumb. Are you both up for a challenge?
Evangeline. Yes, Miss Bansal.
I am very serious, Mr. Samir Desai. Are you up for a challenge?
Yes, Miss.
This challenge is against 5th standard children and I will show you how they are smarter than the both of you.
Evangeline.
I'm so fed up. I'm asking you for the last time. Are you both up for a challenge?
Yes, ma'am.
So then be there on the 23rd of April at HR College for this one project where you will show if you are smarter than the 5th standards or not. As we present to you, are you smarter than a 5th grader?
So at this one project, you will have to go back in your school time where you used to comb your hair and oil your hair, and used to learn about the height of the mountains, and used to measure and know all about pressure and air pressure. You will not require anyone's help in this project, but it will be very simple as you've learned from grade 1 to grade 5. And also there's something special in this project where the project will be conducted and executed by our very own PD's Star of the Month, Rachna.
नमस्ते, मैं हूँ लोकेश छक्का संवानी और मैं हूँ रोड ट्रैक टीवी से, और आज हमारे साथ है रणबीर कपूर और दीपिका पादुकोण जी। रणबीर जी, आपसे एक सवाल है, आपकी नई फिल्म ये जवानी है दीवानी अभी रिलीज होने वाली है, आपका क्या कहना है ये फिल्म के बारे में?
मैं बस हमारे चाहने वालों से यही कहना चाहूँगा कि जो हमने फिल्म बनाई है इसमें जो हमारा यूथ जनरेशन है और जो हमारे बुजुर्ग हैं उन्हें ये फिल्म बहुत पसंद आएगी, क्योंकि ये उन्हें उनके जवानी के दिनों में वापस लेके जाती है और जैसे वो जीना चाहे वैसे जीना सिखाती है। इस फिल्म में मैंने मेरी एक्स दीपिका के साथ बहुत अच्छी केमिस्ट्री कायम की है, और मेरे को ये फिल्म के दौरान ही समझ में आया कि कटरीना से बेहतर है दीपिका एक्टिंग वाइज, और यहाँ मैं बहुत चीज़ें कह नहीं पाता। इसके लिए ये फिल्म देखनी ज़रूर चाहिए, ये मेरा कहना होगा।
अगर आपको दीपिका इतनी ही पसंद है तो आपने दीपिका को पहले छोड़ा ही क्यों?
तभी मैं बच्चा था।
प्लीज नो कमेंट्स।
अभी मैं मुझ में भी
अच्छा। दीपिका जी, आपसे भी एक सवाल है, आपका रिलेशनशिप रणवीर सिंह के साथ चालू हुआ अभी, उसके बारे में क्या कहना है आपका?
मुझे सिर्फ यही कहना है कि नाम में क्या जाता है, रणवीर हो या रणवीर, दोनों तो सेम ही है, सिर्फ एक लेटर का फर्क है, R-N और V। ओह शिट, आई जस्ट हैड एन आलिया भट्ट मोमेंट।
आलिया भट्ट तो बहुत मशहूर हो चुकी है, पर रणवीर और रणबीर में R आता है, सिद्धार्थ में तो S होता है, उसका क्या कहना है आपको?
उसके पास तो सिर्फ पैसा था इसलिए तो गई।
Thank you so much, Road Tractor Samit Desai and Pooja Shah, for professional development announcements. Moving on to the people who are the face of the club. Well, these people make sure that we're covered in every aspect, and just now you can see an inset of the Times of India building, and we're sure that in no time we will see ourselves in the Times of India itself. Can I please call upon Road Tractors Diksha Kataria and Mohit Bachani for public relations announcements?
क्या आपको पता है ये बोर्ड किसने बनाया?
नहीं, मुझे नहीं पता।
क्या क्या क्या
क्या?
खैर छोड़ो।
तुझे पता है ये नोटिस बोर्ड किसने बनाया?
नहीं। क्या 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 क्यों क्यों क्यों? अबे ओए, तूने टी शर्ट पहने रखी है पर तुझे नहीं मालूम है टी शर्ट किसने बनाई? नहीं।
तो ये थे आरसीएसआर के पब्लिक रिलेशंस ऑफिसर दीक्षा कटारिया और मोहित बचानी।
The 13th, we are the world.
the 17th Vogue club t-shirts for the year 2013-14. What's next?
Presenting to you club jerseys for the 28th year.
So it's been a while since we had the last purple splash on the 28th general body. Presenting to you the next splash, which is the club jerseys for the year 2013-14.
For everyone who ordered these priceless pieces of merchandise, wait back after the GBM and collect yours. And for everyone who didn't, we have just one thing to say.
The IPL fever is back again this year. Are you ready?
Whichever team you may support, if you are one crazy cricket fanatic, this is the platform we give you. If you want to write about the IPL fever, then we are the people to contact. Make sure that you meet us after the GBM. We will be selecting a writer for Write It Publishing.
Come on, बुलावा आया है. Thank you so much, Rotractors Diksha Kataria and Mohit Bachani for public relations announcements. Moving on to the place where probably most of your ROs and BOs are printed. A place where they have to print every edition. A place where they're publishing articles on a regular basis. And of course, giving a chance to all the budding writers of our club. Without giving them any other further introduction, the people who are going to be the ones that are going to keep you in bloodshed. Can I please call upon Rotractors Aditya Vora and Gautam Tikyani for editorial announcements?
Hi, my name is Rotractor Aditya Vora. My name is Rotractor Gautam Tikyani. And together we... Wait, hold on. Don't you hear them clapping? Don't you hear the noise for us? I think they love us a lot. I can still hear them clapping.
Can be a bit louder.
I think a little louder, but this is... I think it seems fine. Perfect, that's it. We love it.
So we call ourselves the Gothic Warriors.
Moving on, here we bring to you our first announcement.
Vora is a teacher and I was his diligent student.
Okay class, so today we will be learning about the Great Wall of China. Wall China kamal hai. Do you know, today well lived makes every yesterday a dream of happiness and tomorrow a vision of hope. Gautam Tikyani! What on earth do you think you're doing? Huh? Pay attention in class! What was I talking about? Chichen Itza. He's talking about Chichen Itza while I was talking about the Great Wall of China. ये लड़का इतना इंटेलिजेंट था, इतनी तमीज से बात करता था टीचर्स से. ये लड़की आई ना, लड़की आई उसकी जिंदगी में, लड़की ने सब बिगाड़ दिया. कौन है ये लड़की?
सर, चलो आपको दिखाता हूँ.
ये क्या है क्या?
चलो आपको दिखाता हूँ सर.
लड़की के बाल लेके घूमते हो तुम?
सर, मेरी तो बस एक ही दुल्हन है.
कौन है? कौन है?
सर बस
क्या है ये? कौन है ये?
मेरी जान है ये.
नाम क्या है इसका?
बॉलवती.
Tonight, the Gothic Warriors are young. So let's do a bulletin on sports. Let's just give them some more. NOC has been chosen. Na 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 na. Dark Simran Talwar Pooja ke sure you wait back for this bulletin, cause this one is just going to rock. For these OC members we have a lot of pyar. इस बार मोदी सरकार.
Na na na
na na na na na. One moment you see us, one moment you don't. One moment you see us, one moment you don't. We love transferring our characteristics to all the people around us, don't we? So when we do our bulletins, we love transferring our characteristics to those bulletins as well. Here we have a bulletin that presses for death, to rape, to the ones who rape. Death punishment for the people who are rapists. Uncovering the truth. A bulletin in UV light. One moment you see this. One moment you don't. One moment it's there. The next it's gone. What is so special about this? Here, come with us, we tell you. Do you read it? Do you see what's written? It is the story of rape victims. A bulletin that's invisible.
Thank you so much Rotractors Aditya Vora and Gautam Tikyani for editorial announcements. Moving on to the place where we call home, the place where all our alumni come back, Rotarians come back, and absolutely every pillar of our club comes back. So you can see an inset of HR College, and that's a place we call home. So moving on, can I please call upon Rotractor Purvi Parekh for task force announcements.
And firstly, apologies for my co-director Rotractor Simonisha for not being here, who is currently enjoying delicious food at California. Yeah, so coming now to my first announcement.
This is the condition of Chotu. He lives in such a condition, be it summer, winter or the floods. He doesn't have any place to live. But the Rotary Club of Bombay, the Rotary Club of HR College and the Foundation of Habitat for Humanity have taken up this cause for building up homes for these guys. For building or living a better place so that they can have a better living. Now there's a volunteer working for Chotu's house. Let's have a talk with her.
Excuse me?
Yeah? Can we know how is your experience working for this?
I think it's an amazing experience being the youth of today to come and do something like working with the Habitat for Humanity. So I think at this tender age when we get to work for such a noble cause, it's a great thing. So I'm glad I'm a part of the Rotary Club of HR College, so that I got a chance to be a part of improving people like Chintu's lives. Be there on the 27th of April at House of Dreams, which is the new initiative taken by the Rotary Club of Bombay, the Rotary Club of HR College and Habitat for Humanity, wherein we build houses for the less privileged. So this time we'll be going to Danu and doing so for the people who don't have a good housing facility over there. We've already got a confirmation of 15 people. So these 15 people will be the lucky ones accompanying us at Danu on the 27th of April. Thank you. 9th of April at Taj for your very first Rotary style GBM, wherein the dress code is strictly formals. So at this one GBM, we'll have our own secretary make announcements on behalf of all the directors. So make sure you are there for the GBM because it's going to be legend. Wait for it.
Dairy! Legendary!
Thank you so much Rotractor Purvi Parekh for task force announcements. Moving on to the place where we're there 24/7, no matter what. Something or the other clicks in our lives and we have to run into a place for printing. So we're gonna go back to our very own Bharat printers, and like you can see, there's an inset of Bharat printers right there being shown to you right now. and well, these guys live with these people. So may I please call upon Rotaractors Mrunal Shah and Vinayak Naishana for cyber media announcements.
Stop! Replay is coming soon. They got the point. Chill.
Cool, chill. So,
Basically, guys, replay is coming soon.
So replay is coming really soon. But
you guys have seen this one.
And have you seen this one?
I'm sure you've seen this one.
But have you seen this one?
Talking to myself, will I see again? To the beat go in. Let the head out, let the head out, let the head. Yeah. Beat go in. Yeah. Let the head out when the beat go in. I'ma wait till the beat go in.
I'm clumsy, and my head's a mess, 'cause you got me growing taller every day. We're giants in a little man's world. My heart is pumping up so big that it could burst. I'm trying so hard not to let it show, but you got me feeling like I'm stepping on buildings, cars and boats. I swear I could touch the sky. I'm 10 feet tall. I'm 10 feet careful, so don't be afraid. You're safe here, no, these arms won't let you break. I'll put up a sign.
Monica.
क्या आप लोगों ने देखा उस युवक की नासमझी कैसे हेलमेट के बिना चला गया? क्या हो गया हमारे युवक को? ऐसा वो कैसे कर सकता है? और इसी टाइम पे देखो ये क्या हो रहा था। उठो सब लोग, उठो, जागो और इन सबको संदेश फैलाओ कि हम सब लोग को सारे नियमों का पालन करना चाहिए। और हम आए हैं रोड
Another turning point, a fork stuck in the road. Time grabs you by the wrist, directs you where to go. So make the best of this test and don't ask why. It's not a question but a lesson learned in time. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life. So take the photographs and still frames in your mind, hanging on a shelf in good health and good time. Tattoos of memories and dead skin on trial. For what it's worth, it was worth all the while. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life.
It's you and I, and our dreams we have are calling us. The sadness that makes us feels like going home. It's you and I.
Alright, so for next announcement, watch us very closely.
Rana's not working यार.
अरे यार switch on नहीं किया है तूने. Why are you recording it? Record. Oh, video. Okay. So the point was
nothing.
We hope you're enjoying Video GBM so far. And our Oscars are coming really soon. Mostly they're coming out next GBM as well. But for now, anything else?
Pack up.
Alright, pack up.
Thank you so much, Rotractors Mrunal Chai and Vinayak Chania for Cyber Media announcements. And well, this entire presentation has been done by these two people, so give it up for these two guys because this Video GBM has been fabulous and I'm sure about that. Moving on, can I please call upon Rotractor Rushabh Shah for Secretary announcements?
This my shit. All the girls stomp your feet like this. Few times I've been around that track, so it's not just gonna happen like that, cause it ain't no holler back, girl.
Thank you so much, Rotractor Rushabh Shah for Secretary announcements.
Sure. Alright. So here's the thing, you may never know this, but this is the third time we're recording this video because we guys suck at pressing buttons. But anyways, we hope you really enjoyed Video GBM and
thank you for watching this one video. We were waiting to do this thing and the OC was nice and yeah, I don't know what to say, I'm sleepy now.
Okay, well, you know that these guys pull in a lot of all-nighters and stuff like that, but kudos to them and the entire OC for pulling off this fabulous Video General Body meeting. The effects, everything, it happened last year for the first time, and I'm sure all of us are looking forward to this one special kind of a General Body meeting. Thank you so much for making it out here today because it really means a lot to us, and I'm sure that you're going to take it back as one memory in your lifetime.
anyways, as of now, we're going to go home and edit this whole thing. So hope you had fun.
Thank you so much for coming today, and yeah, as of now, the meeting is adjourned.